Waking up with a dry throat, stuffed nose, or irritated skin? The secret to a perfect night's rest might just be the air you breathe. Welcome back to Top Home Finds. Today we're counting down the top 5 best bedroom humidifiers of 2026 for better sleep. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Let's dive in. First up is the Levoit Top Fill. Here are some advantages of the Levoit Top Fill humidifiers. Hassle-free top fill design. The upgraded top fill architecture allows users to easily remove the lid and pour water directly into the tank from the top. Effortless cleaning and maintenance. Featuring a wide opening tank and detachable, straightforward base components, this humidifier eliminates hard-to-reach corners and intricate crevices. Ultra-quiet and sleep-friendly operation. Operating at whisper-quiet sound levels as low as 26 to 28 decibels with the option to turn off all display lights. Long-lasting runtime and continuous moisture. Equipped with a generous water tank capacity, the unit can run continuously for up to 25 to 60 hours on the low setting. Check the description for more details on this product. Next up is the Levoit Classic 300S. Here are some advantages of the Levoit Classic 300S humidifier. Advanced smart app and voice control. Equipped with built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, this humidifier allows users to seamlessly monitor real-time humidity levels, set timers, and adjust custom schedules using the free V-Sync app. Intelligent auto mode and built-in humidistat. Featuring a precise built-in humidity sensor, the unit constantly monitors ambient room conditions. In auto mode. Extra large tank capacity and massive runtime. With its generous 6-liter water tank, the unit can effectively humidify medium to large spaces up to 505 square feet. Dedicated sleep mode and quiet operation. Designed specifically for bedrooms and nurseries, the humidifier operates at a whisper-quiet noise level of 30 decibels or lower. Check the description for more details on this product. Next up is the Dreo Smart. Here are some advantages of the Dreo Smart humidifiers. Advanced smart integration and customization. Equipped with robust Wi-Fi connectivity, this humidifier integrates flawlessly with the Dreo app, Amazon Alexa, and Google Home for seamless remote. High-precision auto mode with mistwave technology. Featuring a highly responsive built-in humidistat, the device continuously monitors ambient room air in real time. Long-lasting operation and extended runtime. Boasting generous tank capacities, the humidifier is engineered to deliver continuous, reliable comfort. Whisper-quiet performance with specialized sleep mode. Operating at an incredibly low noise level of just 26 to 28 decibels, the ultrasonic system provides virtually silent humidification. Check the description for more details on this product. Next up is the Frida Baby. Here are some advantages of the Frida Baby humidifier. Multifunctional 3-in-1 design. This space-saving nursery essential cleverly combines an ultrasonic cool mist humidifier, a multicolor nightlight, and an aromatherapy diffuser. Integrated aromatherapy with vapor pads. Engineered specifically to soothe sick infants and toddlers, the unit features a dedicated slot for Frida Baby Breathe vapor pads. Seamless auto stop and safety features. Prioritizing nursery safety, the device is equipped with an automatic shutoff feature that triggers the moment the water tank runs dry. Whisper-quiet ultrasonic operation. Utilizing advanced ultrasonic technology, the humidifier breaks down water into a fine, soothing mist while operating almost silently. Check the description for more details on this product. And fifth, we have the Vornado EV100. Here are some advantages of the Vornado EV100 humidifier. Signature vortex action circulation. Unlike traditional humidifiers that only release moisture into the immediate surrounding air. Evaporative technology with no white dust. By employing a natural evaporative wick system, the device breaks down water into a microfine, vaporized state rather than a heavy mist. Intelligent auto mode and automatic humidistat. Equipped with a built-in humidistat sensor, the unit continuously tracks real-time ambient room conditions. Crystal clear, simple tank system. Designed for seamless day-to-day maintenance, the 1-gallon water reservoir is entirely transparent. Check the description for more details on this product. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best bedroom humidifiers for 2026. Thank you so much for watching Top Home Finds. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more home guides. See you in the next video.